Hello, everyone. It is Erica with EA Group. I have been getting this question all week. How does credit repair work? How does credit repair work? What are you going to do for me? Is it a scam? Is it a ripoff? What's the deal? Like, what's the trick? Well, I am here to tell you, I cannot speak for other credit repair companies. I can only speak for my own company. At EA Group, we do 100% factual disputing. Okay, what is factual disputing? What that means is that I would go through your credit report very thoroughly, and I would look for those inconsistent and inaccurate items that are being reported. Now, if you're anything like, 80% of Americans with a credit report, there are going to be several items that are going to be reporting inaccurate. And the three credit bureaus have two options. They can update the information or they can remove the information. Those are their only two options. So let me give you an example. If I'm looking at your credit card payment and I see that the payment history is off, so all three credit bureaus are reporting different payment history. Or let me give you an even better example. If I'm looking at a credit card and I see that Experian says that this card was open May of 2016, Equifax is saying that this card was opened September of 2017, and then TransUnion says, no, I think this card was open December 2020. Now, that is completely incorrect. That is inconsistent between all three credit bureaus. There can only be one. If this information is coming straight from your credit card provider, all three should match. Okay, so it's that easy. So the law says that they must report 100% accurate. Okay, what I do is find those inconsistencies and I point those out and I dispute them. They have two options: to correct it or remove it. Now, 9 times out of 10, they're not going to correct it. They don't have the time or the resources to correct that. So then we get a delete. Okay, so it's that easy. It's that simple. There is no scam. There is no gimmick. 100% factual disputing. Okay, so I want everyone to do this. When you have a free moment, get a copy of your credit report. Spread it out. Take a look at it. Look at the dates. Look at the amounts. Look at the balances owed. Look at the credit limits. See if everything there matches. If it does not match, that is inconsistent, it's incorrect, and it is not reporting 100% accurate. Okay, so I hope this helps. So good luck disputing.